Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out in Mandeville and we're going to give you a walking tour of the new Sovereign Center in Mandeville. Now this Sovereign operates plazas all over, well, not all over Jamaica. They operate plazas in Kingston and Portmore, and now with this location, Mandeville. But they have some of the most successful plazas in Jamaica. So this is actually, we call it a plaza, but it's actually a mall, more of a mall than what you're accustomed to. In Jamaica, people use the term mall and plaza interchangeably. So we're going to give you a walking tour today, and this plaza is in an ideal location. It's located in the largest town in middle or central Jamaica, which is Mandeville. So for a successful plaza you need three things: a brand name supermarket, food stores, and build it in a populated area. So Mandeville is the largest town in central Jamaica, and this is one of the busiest sections of Mandeville. So you have the populated area covered. They have a progressive food supermarket, massive supermarket, one of the nicest supermarkets you'll find in Jamaica on this compound. It's separate from the mall, but it's right as you walk out, you'll see it. And third, they have food stores. They have a few inside here, and they have Domino's and Wendy's on the outside. So this mall or plaza should do very well. And as you can see, quite a few stores have been occupied. Some are like those straight ahead, some are still being built out. Alright guys, enjoy the tour. Let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. And also let us know if you want us to do more of these walking tours. Alright guys, have a good day.